Hello student, I am Professor Pallavi Devkate welcomes you in 11th lecture of Econ 355. Course title is Structure and Dynamics of Indian Agriculture. In previous lecture we studied about Silver Revolution in India, which is related with egg production. Okay, in today's session we will study Yellow Revolution in detail. So in this Yellow Revolution, first of all we see what is the Yellow Revolution. Okay, so this Yellow Revolution launched to increase the production of edible oil, especially mustard and sesame seeds, to achieve self-realize is known as Yellow Revolution. Okay, that means this Yellow Revolution is basically related with increase in production of edible oil, and especially in case of mustard and sesame seed. Okay, Yellow Revolution is spectacularly increase in production of oil to achieve this self-realize, mostly due to the use of hybrid seed like mustard and improved technology of oil production. So this Yellow Revolution basically it is related with increase in production of oil, and due to which we can achieve this self-realize in case of oilseed production. So this Yellow Revolution can be achieved, or production of oil can be maximized by use of hybrid seed in case of mustard, and also different technology, different improved technology which can be used for oilseed production. Okay, so this is about Yellow Revolution. After that, next point, that is father of Yellow Revolution. So Sam Pitroda is known as father of Yellow Revolution in India. Okay, Sam Pitroda is considered as a father of Yellow Revolution in India. After father of Yellow Revolution, we see in short about the period of Yellow Revolution. Okay, so the Yellow Revolution was first launched during 1986 to 1987 in India, with total production about 12 million tons of oil. Okay, so this Yellow Revolution was launched during 1986 to 1987 with total production of oil near about 12 million tons. Okay. After a period of Yellow Revolution, next point, that is Yellow Revolution in India. So we see about Yellow Revolution in India in short. So during 1986, India launched Oil Technological Mission, and with the aim of use of improved technology for oil production. Okay, so this Oil Technological Mission was related with use of improved technology for oil production. Then beginning of entirely new era with floating sunflower in the field of Punjab. Okay, so due to this Oil Technological Mission in 1986, there is beginning of entirely new era in case of sunflower in Punjab area. It helped in covering socio-economic differences in the country. Due to this Oil Technological Mission, there is differences in socio-economic condition of the farmer due to the oil production. After that, the oil production in India was about 12 million tons when revolution was started. Okay, that means during 1986, India's total oil production was near about 12 million tons, and which was doubled in 10 years, which is near about 24 million tons. Okay, along with the use of hybrid seed, various other measures were taken, such as increase in agricultural land to about 26 million hectares, and also the use of modern technological input which are responsible for increase in production of oil. Okay, so oil production was increased due to the other factors such as increase in agricultural land under oilseed cultivation, and also the use of different modern technological inputs which are help in increase the production of oil. Okay, next point, that is features of yellow revolution. So this yellow revolution included incentives to the farmer. Okay, so for this incentive purpose, the farmers are provided with processing facilities that include irrigation, fertilizer, etc. Then transportation facilities, minimum support price, and warehousing facilities, etc. Okay, so in case of mustard, the government provide minimum support price. Okay, and along with that minimum support price, different facilities are provided by government to increase the production of oil. Okay, under the revolution, the many boards such as National Dairy Board were entrusted with responsibilities to promote oilseed production. Okay, so this National Dairy Development Board also take the responsibility for promotion of oilseed production. Then this National Dairy Board has a responsibility to increase the groundnut oil production in Gujarat. Okay, so this NDDB help or take initiative in case of increase in groundnut production in Gujarat state. Similarly, the National Oilseed and Vegetable Oil Development Boards were responsible for the production, enhancement of oilseed in non-traditional areas. Okay, so this Oilseed and Vegetable Oil Development Board also take initiative for enhancement of oilseed in non-traditional areas of India. Okay, another feature of yellow revolution, that oilseed production trust was established to popularize the four major oilseeds, that are mustard, groundnut, soybean and sunflower. Okay, so oilseed production trust was established to increase the major oilseed production such as mustard, groundnut, soybean and sunflower. Okay, there were about 3,000 oilseed societies established with 13 lakh farmers and 25 hectares of cultivable land in different states of a country. Okay, so in case of yellow revolution, there were near about 3,000 oilseed societies were established with 3 lakh farmers attached with that particular societies, and near about 25 hectares of cultivable land in different state of countries which is under oilseed cultivation. Okay, next feature, that is, though the India achieved self-sufficiency in oil production in the next 10 years, sadly the output of India does not meet its consumption. In order to meet the demand, India started to import oilseed from other countries. That means to fulfill the consumption requirement of a country, India started to import the oilseed from other countries. India imported about 5 million tons in 2007 from many countries like Malaysia, Argentina and Brazil, etc. Okay. So this is all about features of yellow revolution in India. So question may be asked on this topic, like explain in short yellow revolution in India, or sometimes maybe objective type question asked on this topic, like yellow revolution was done in the field of dash dash, or when the yellow revolution was launched, or who is the father of yellow revolution. Such type of objective question may be asked on this topic. Okay, so this is all about yellow revolution in India. Okay, thank you all.